Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn about pharmacopoeia. The learning objectives for this definition, different pharmacopoeias, history of Indian pharmacopoeia, features of different editions of the Indian pharmacopoeia. What is pharmacopoeia? Pharmacopoeia, the term is derived from two Greek words, that is pharmakon and poia. Pharmakon means a drug and poia means to make. We can say that is an official book which is issued by the recognized authorities usually appointed by government of each country. This consists of list of the pharmaceutical substances, their formulas along with their descriptions and the standards. There are n number of pharmacopoeias like British Pharmacopoeia, European Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia, USP, that is United States Pharmacopoeia. It was first used in 1580 by Bermengo in Italy. Then there was European pharmacopoeias like London, Edinburgh, and Dublin Pharmacopoeia. In 1864, the first British pharmacopoeia came into the existence. The United States, the first pharmacopoeia was published in December 1820, both in English as well as in Latin tongue. The first international pharmacopoeia was published by World Health Organization in 1951 and the second volume in 1955. Now let us see the history of Indian pharmacopoeia. The Pharm- Government of India, through its letter number 2338 SC oblique 43 dated 26 January 1944, directed to the DTAB, that is Drug Technical Advisory Board, to list the different drugs used in India which are not mentioned in British Pharmacopoeia, and it also recommended that standards to be prescribed to maintain uniformity and the chemical test to be used to establish identity and purity. The Government of India published the first Indian Pharmacopoeia list in 1946 and the supplement to this British Pharmacopoeia, which contain about 180 monographs. After the publication of Indian Pharmacopoeia list, the 11-member Indian Pharmacopoeial Committee in 1948 constituted for preparing the Pharmacopoeia of India. The first edition of Pharmacopoeia of India was published in 1955. Let us see the silent features of this first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. The title of monographs have been given in Latin language. Abbreviation titles for use prescription have been given immediately below the Latin title. English title has also been given below the abbreviation title. The weights and measures have given in the metric systems. All statements contained in individual monograph have been considered as the constitute standards, while the doses are expressed in metric systems as well as in English system. A list of preparations has been given at the end of some of the monographs. Temperature has been expressed in Celsius thermometric scale. Some descriptive terms like very soluble, freely soluble, sparingly soluble, slightly soluble, very slightly soluble, practically insoluble have been used where the exact solubility of pharmaceutical substance is not known. In 1954, new committee was reconstituted under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh. The second edition of Pharmacopoeia of India was published in 1966, while its supplement was published in 1975. Let us see the silent features of second edition. The titles of monograph have been changed from Latin to English. The words of the title have been transported to the given name. For example, injection of aminophylline have been changed as aminophylline injection. Doses are expressed in the metric system only. Solubility is expressed as a parts of solvent per unit. While the preparation of drugs have been given immediately after the monograph, test for sterility has been modified. New analytical techniques like non-epistoichrometry column chromatography have been included. In this monograph, tablets and injections as subheadings like usual strength have been given to represent the strength of the tablet or injections. The Government of India, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, by their resolution in 1979, reconstituted the Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee for a period of 5 years for the preparation of third edition, and in 1985, the third edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published by Government of India. The silent features of these editions: new analytical techniques like flame photometry, fluorometry, electrophoresis, photometric hemoglobinometry have been introduced. Dissolution test has been introduced. Disintegration test has been amended for modifying the design of the apparatus. Microbial limit test has been prescribed for certain pharmaceuticals. The pyrogen test has been revised. Gas liquid chromatography has been recognized as an alternative method for determination of alcohol. The test for determination of viscosity has been modified by using Ostwald viscometer. New appendix on water for pharmaceutical use has been introduced. Some of the drugs have been renamed, like acetyl salicylic acid has been changed to its name aspirin. Many drugs have been omitted from the third editions. In 1991, the Government of India, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, resolutions passed for the reconstitution of another pharmacopoeial committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand, and the fourth edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1996. The silent features of these editions that contains 1149 monographs and 123 appendix in 2 volumes. The computer-generated structure formulae have been introduced. The titles have been changed. More commonly accepted names are to be introduced, like Harrison hydrobromide for scopolamine hydrobromide. IR and ultra-red absorption spectrophotometric test has been introduced as an alternative test for identification of the substances. The high-performance liquid chromatography has been widely used as a method of analysis. The biological assay of insulin has been replaced by HPLC. The test for bacterial endotoxins has been introduced for some articles. The quantitative method for determining particulate matter in injectable preparation has been replaced by the quantitative test of the previous editions. Specific biological assays and tests for vaccines, hormones, blood products, and enzymes have been transferred from an appendix to an individual monograph. Monographs for ORS, like ORS bicarbonate formula, has been dropped due to stability problem. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 1996, an addendum was published in 2000, and addendum 2002 was published to incorporate the latest developments made in the pharmaceutical sciences. A number of tests and standards in monograph have been amended and replaced with the old monograph. The test on bacterial endotoxin replaces the pyrogen test. A new appendices on the residual solvent has been incorporated, and appendixes on HPLC has been replaced by a revised version covering ion chromatography. Monographs of number of antiretroviral activities and their formulations have been introduced in this addendum. Monographs on vaccines for hepatitis B and that of rabies have been revised. The Government of India has constituted again Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on 22nd March 2005, and the fifth editions of Indian Pharmacopoeia in 2007 was published. Let us see the silent feature. This edition was published in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general notes, prefaces, and structure of the IPC, introduction and general chapters, while Volume 2 deals with the general monographs on the drug substances, dosage forms, and pharmaceutical aids. Volume 3 contains monographs on drug substances, dosage forms, pharmaceutical aids, vaccines, and immunoserum for human use, herbs, and herbal products, blood and blood-related products, biotechnological products, and veterinary products. General chemical tests for identification have been almost eliminated, and more specific IR and ultraviolet spectrophotometric tests have been given. Test for pathogen involving the use of animal has been virtually limited, and a test for bacterial endotoxin has been introduced. Test for abnormality toxicity is now confined to certain vaccines. Use of chromatograph method has been extended in assays. Labeling and storage are featured at the end, while the general monograph produces forms of the API are grouped together at the beginning of volume 2, followed by the monographs. Monographs for other articles of a special nature, such as vaccines and immunosera for human use, herbs and herbal products, blood and blood related products, biotechnology products, are given in a separate section in volume 3. While limits of the bacterial contamination has been introduced for controlling the microbial quality of medical products, analytical methods are given for maintaining the harmony. So let's see the features of various editions in the Indian Pharmacopoeia listed here. The first edition, publication in 1955 under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh. So under the chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh, while the addendum was released in 1960 that contains Western and traditional system drugs commonly used in India. Well, the second edition, year of publication 1966, under the chairmanship of Dr. P.K. Mukherjee, while addendum was published in 1975. The features that contain both Western and traditional system drugs commonly used in India. Third edition, published in 1985 under chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. The first addendum was published in 1989 and second in 1991. In this pharmacopoeia, inclusion of traditional system of drug was limited. However, most of new drugs manufactured and marketed were included, while only those herbal drugs which had definite quality control standard had got place in it. Fourth edition 1996 under chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. The addendum first in 2000, then second in 2002, third 2005. Features focuses on the drugs formulas that cover national healthcare programs. It contains monograph and antiretroviral, anti-cancer and anti-tubercular and herbal drugs. Further emphasis is on biological monographs such as vaccines, immunosera of human use, blood products. Fifth editions published in 2007 under chairmanship of Dr. Naresh Dayal. Addendum was released in 2008 and it contains 3 volumes. Sixth edition was published in 2010 under the chairmanship of Dr. Mr. P.K. Pradhan. Addendum was published in 2012. It comprises of 3 volumes. Volume 1 comprises about the notices, prefaces, general chapters, while Volume 2 contains general notices, dosage forms, and monographs of pharmaceutical compounds from A to M. While Volume 3 contains monographs about on pharmaceutical N to Z, and also contains vaccines and immunosera for human use, herbs and herbal products, blood and blood related products, biotechnological products, veterinary products. The 7th edition published in 2014 under chairmanship of Mr. Keshav Desiraj. Addendum was published in 2015. It presented in 4 volumes and includes products, biotechnology, indigenous herbs and herbal products. Additional antiretroviral drugs as well as formulation inclusion of commonly used fixed dose combinations, standards for new drugs and drugs used under the national health programs are added. The IP 2014 incorporates total 2,548 monographs of drugs. Among these, 577 are new. So this is about the monograph, pharmacopoeia and different monographs. Thank you.